Alright, so we're gonna do a little bit of pressure washing here. We got the 8 amp hour batteries, real good deals right now, even through Greenworks. I think they're 300, but I got these two for 310 new on eBay. I'm using the little extension because I'm going to be cleaning the side of the house, so I'm going to try to get everything that I can with having to move the ladder minimal times, and this is pretty dirty, so let's see how this thing does and how long those 8 amp hour batteries last. Alright, the first set of batteries lasted about 52 minutes, and I don't know, I'd say I'm a solid quarter done, maybe a third. Most of my ladder work I should be finished pretty soon, but it's going good, it's just slow.
Walking is my retort, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm a walker, I'm a walker. When I walk from here to everywhere, I'm a walker,
Yeah.
I'm a walker, yeah. Wherever you might be, wherever you might be, wherever you might be, you might find me there. I'm a walker, just keep walking. I'm a walker, going down the avenue. I'm a walker, walking in the woods too.
Alright, so we got most of it. When we have parties, the kids like to help decorate by taping stuff, and that adhesive seems like it's going to need something stronger. So the things that I used for this project were the pressure washer. This happens to be the 80-volt one. I started with the turbo nozzle, but then I wound up going to the 15-degree nozzle, which I like better. I have 4 of the 82 BD 800 batteries, which I got about 50 minutes out of them, going pretty constant. And I have 4 of them, so I was able to put 2 on a charger. So I have the high output charger at 16 amps, so it can charge 2 of them in an hour. And I did take a little bit of a break after the first round, so they were fully charged after I used the second round of batteries. And this little extension wand, which comes with the deck cleaning setup, there's like a 15-inch thing to clean this up, and that's a different project. I didn't actually use, there's a soap thing, I didn't use it. I just squirted some simple green to help, and then this hose that I used is an upgraded, it's a 50-foot hose instead of the 25-foot hose that comes with it, and it's a little bit more flexible, although once they're pressurized, none of them are too awful flexible. But that's the project, that's what I used. And aside from that tape adhesive, I think it came out pretty good. And that's one side of the house, and it took, I don't know, it was just over 2 sets of batteries, so an hour and 40-50 minutes, give or take. So that's the 3000 psi 2 gallon per minute cordless pressure washer. And like I said, I love this quick disconnect. Just like that, it's still pressurized. I can put the hose head back on for my wife real slick and easy, and put this away. So hope that's useful. If you like that, and buy all this stuff myself, so if you like it, please let me know with a like, and if you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope it was useful, and we'll see you on the next one.